Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Williamson County, northeastern Hayes County, Travis County, northwestern Bastrop County, northwestern Lee County, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Weir to near Anderson Mill to near Dripping Springs, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Round Rock, Cedar Park, Georgetown, Pflugerville, Taylor, Elgin, Dripping Springs, Tanglewood Forest, Saranita, Anderson Mill, Austin Bergstrom International Airport, Windermere, Leander, Hutto, Lakeway, Manor, Lago Vista, Beekiv, and West Lake Hills. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.